In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix LEGO Fortnite spawning far away bug. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So here, as you can see, I'm in the article showing how to fix the spawning far away bug in LEGO Fortnite. So to fix this, what we can do is to force a respawn. So how to force a respawn is to create a new world. So you want to create a new world, then you can then add friends as world key holders again and try your luck again. And also a in-game fix to not spawn far away is creating a bed. So always don't forget to create a bed because creating a bed makes the bed your spawn point every time you disconnect or log in again. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.